Welcome. Versus like
Welcome to vlog number 8.
Yeah.
How are you? I'm kidding. Breaking up the wall? I'm kidding.
I got 4 of my best buddies coming in from Minnesota: Zach, Brandon, Sam, and Andrew. I've got quite a few adventures planned for us, and you always know it's going to be a good time with this group of guys. So the clock on our 48 hours starts right now. Just waiting in the cell phone lot to pick up Brandon, Zach, and Sam. Andrew comes in about an hour later. All right, I'm pumped up. We've got to the cliffs and we're pretty afraid because there is no way to get up, and they're steeper than we thought and that we saw in the videos. I think because the water level's lower in a river, it rises and falls. So now that it's lower, the jump is higher. But we found some good places to hang out and cliff jump now, and we found a good way up. So we're gonna just hang out and have some fun here. Here's the path down to the cliff here. Zach and Sam still have not jumped yet, so hopefully we'll be able to get them to jump here, but we don't want to push them too much if they're not comfortable.
No. You got it, Sammy. You gonna send it? Come on. You got it. Annika will stitch you up. I can't tread water all day. Come on. You got it. Oh, it's gonna be epic. No, I'm good. Yeah, I'm fine. I just want you to jump. Yep. Yep, you're good. Send it. Woo! Woo! Yep. Yep. Woo! There's like a split hole. Okay. Oh, there's a hole. Okay. What's up? Smile. Oh, fuck. A little slippery. Cheat.
Damn, how did y'all do that so easily?
Give her hell too.
We're in the Sahara.
Give her hell to the sandy stuff. Woo!
Oh yeah.
Ain't no puppies around here.
This is a road here.
Big dogs game.
First person reactions.
Oh, oh baby.
Yeah.
We just got done cliff jumping at Pace Bend Park over here. It was actually really fun. At first we pulled up and it didn't look like it was going to be good because it was too high of a cliff and no way to get up. But then we went down the bend a little bit and found a better spot to jump. But it was still pretty epic. So having a great day here with the guys. Good to have them back in town.
Almost got stuck in the sand dune, but
yeah, we drove the car pretty much.
tire tracks, there they are.
You can see the car here. It's pretty much in the middle of nowhere on this beach here. But pretty sweet day. Good to have the guys back in town. Finally got some friends again.
Nice. That's 15 times. Oh, I got it, Yep. Ah! Oh, 3 hits.
Yeah, I need to.
Oh! Woo! Woo!
So can you do that?
Oh, yeah.
Fucking practice run, asshole.
Chest there. Do you? Ah! Interference! No. I was running! You see me running? What the bullshit? I'm trying there! The grease monkeys! People flying all over the place out here! Heading into the river here, Zilker Park area. Oh, I'm gonna sit down on a rock here. Oh yeah, this is Daddy's spot right here.
Just from the Rockies back to the Rockies.